You will notice at the top right there are 3 links. The first, to see all images. This is the link we applied earlier through to PicTime, PixieSet or SmugMug, where all of the images taken at the event are situated. Send comments, or approve for print. If a client would like to make comments, they simply select this icon here, and that opens up a window on the right hand side. All they now need to do is click where they would like to make a comment, and they can drag this box to be as big or as small as they like. So they can literally in here write remove mark. Once they have made the comment, they click enter, and as you can see, the comment has now been saved where they can edit or delete that comment. And once they have made their comment, they can continue making comments by scrolling through the album by clicking this arrow here. Once the client has scrolled through to the end of the album, they can then send the comments. To do this, all they need to do is go up to here and click send comments. As we have only put comments on the album proof, all we need to select is the sample album. If the client had gone through and commented on the wall art and the thank you cards, they would then check these 2 boxes. Once they're happy, they click send. This will now send an email to the address we first put in when we set up the proofer. And once we get the email through from the client, this is how it looks. As you can see, we have the landing header here, our client name, the name of the album, and any comments that the client has made. To view the design, click here, or open the Fundy Designer project named Rosie and Mike Sample. To learn how to view the design proof of comments, then you simply click here. Upon opening the album design in Fundy Designer, you can simply go through and select which spread the comment was on. To show the comments, simply select the show comments, and any comments the client has made online will appear directly in the album designer. As you can see here, we hover over the remove mark and the box is highlighted, which I drew earlier. Rather than simply going through and going back to the overall view, you can simply select this arrow here to go to the next spread with the next comment on. Highlight, and you can see on the left hand side we are to delete that image. This is a new integrated function, so we as a photographer and image designers are within no doubt which images are to be retouched, removed or replaced.